everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I have got few front slit and side slit long kurti design ideas. These you can pair with jeans or jeggings for casual wear purposes. They are very comfortable and trendy to wear and thus should be used for colleges or regular outings. So please continue watching to know different varieties of slit kurtis.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.